Hello students, let's solve a few more problems of cash discount and trade discount. Let's see the next question. A manufacturer sells his goods to a retailer at a trade discount of 25% of its list price. He further allows a cash discount of 10% on a reduced price. If he makes profit of 8%, what percent the list price is higher than the cost price? Okay. Now, a manufacturer sells his goods to a retailer at a trade discount of 25% of its list price. So, let list price be rupees 100. If list price is rupees 100, then trade discount is given as 25%. So 25% of 100 rupees is 25. So which makes this 75. Invoice price becomes 75. Okay. He further allows a cash discount of 10%. So less cash discount 10%. 10% of 75 is 7.5. Correct? So 75 minus 7.5 comes to 67.5. This is the selling price of the manufacturer. If he makes a profit of 8%, what percent the list price is higher than the cost price? Okay. That means if cost price is 100, profit will be 8 and selling price will be 108. Correct? Because he is making a profit of 8%. So, but here selling price is 67.5. So, this is my 108. Profit will be 8, which I don't know how much it is. Okay. So, selling price minus profit will give you cost price. Profit also we don't know. It would be 100. Right? If selling price is 108, profit will be 8 and cost price will be 100. Okay? If 67.5 is 108, how much is 100? So, cross multiply. So, to find out cost price is equal to 67.5 divided by 108 into 100. Please calculate that. $67.5 divided by 108 multiplied by 100. It comes to 62.5. That means my cost price is 62.5. So my profit is 5. Okay. This is the balancing figure. I mean, this is the difference. Right, yeah. So, okay. Now you know all the prices. If the list price is 100, cost price is 62.5 and selling price is 67.5. Okay. Now what is asked? If he makes profit of 8%, okay. What percent the list price is higher than the cost price? Okay. What percent the list price is higher than the cost price? This is the list price and this is the cost price. If list price is 100, cost price will be 62.5. So let's see the percentage. What percent the list price is higher than the cost price? Okay. So what is the difference between 100 and 62.5? So therefore percentage by which list price is higher than the cost price. Difference upon cost price into 100. So 100 minus 62.5. What is 100 minus 62.5? It comes to I think 30, just a second, 37.5, right? 100 minus 62.5 comes to 37.5, right? So difference is 100 minus 62.5 divided by 62.5 into 100. Here 100 is the list price. 100 is the list price. 62.5 is the cost price. Okay. So 100 minus 62.5 is 37.5. Divide by 62.5 into 100. So when you calculate this, it comes to 60%. So 60% is your answer. Okay. The question is, what percent the list price is higher than the cost price? If the list price is 100, cost price comes to 62.5, and the difference between 100 and 100 list price and cost price is 37.5. So you have to find the percentage of 37.5 upon 62.5. You compare difference with the cost price and find the percentage. Got it? Okay. Now let's see the next problem. A manufacturer allows 20% trade discount and 5% cash discount and earns 20% profit on the cost price. If the cost price of the article is 9,500, find its list price. Okay. So a manufacturer allows 20% trade discount and 5% cash discount and earns the profit of 20% and earns 20% profit on the cost price. Fine. So let us assume list price is 100 less trade discount %, so which comes to 20 rupees. So invoice price is 80 less cash discount. Cash discount is 5%. So 80 into 5% comes to 4 rupees. So selling price is 76. Okay. And he earns a profit of 20% on cost price. That means if cost price is 100, profit will be 20 and selling price will be 120. Correct? So if 76 is 120, okay, 100 is how much? 100 is how much? And that is your cost price. So, and the difference between selling price and cost price is your profit. So 76 divided by 120 into 100. Okay, you don't need to do this actually, because the cost price of the article is given as 9,500, find its list price. Okay, you can just find without doing this. Just a second. Okay, without solving like this, what we can do is, selling price is 76. Okay. Now, if the cost price of the article is 9,500, find its list price. Okay. Now, cost price is given as 9,500. Okay. So, if cost price is 100, okay, plus profit, which is 20%, so 20 rupees. So, selling price becomes 120, right? And cost price of the article is given as 9,500. How much is the selling price? So, cross multiply. 9,500 divide by 100 into 120. So, you get your selling price. $9,500 divided by 100 into 120, which is 11,400. Okay. So, 11,400. That means selling price is 11,400. If selling price is 11,400, how much is the list price? Find its list price. You have to find the list price. If selling price is 11,400, find the list price. Now, when list price is 100, selling price is 76, and selling price is 11,400. So, how much is the list price? So, for this, again cross multiply. List price is equal to 11,400 divided by 76 into 100. So, when you calculate this, it comes to 15,000. So, list price is equal to rupees 15,000. Got it? I'll just add a line here. If selling price is 76, list price is equal to 100. Selling price is 11,400. List price is equal to how much? So, you cross multiply. Okay. This is one way of solving. The other way, which I was okay, let's see the other way. Okay. Now, the other way of solving. Now, list price is 100 minus trade discount 20%. Invoice price comes to 80. Cash discount 4 rupees. Selling price 76. Correct? You have to find the cost price. Profit is 20% of the cost price. That means if selling price is 120, profit will be 20 and cost price will be 100. If 76 is 120, 100 is how much? Okay, so when you do this, 76 divided by 120 into 100. 76 divided by 120 into 100. 76 divided by 120 into 100. It comes to 63.33. Okay. 63.3333 is the continuation. Okay. That means if list price is 100, cost price is 63.333333. Right? So, and cost price is given as cost price is given as 9,500. How much is the list price? Okay, so what you will do, cross multiplication. 9,500 divide by 63.3333 multiplied by 100. Okay, so 9,500 divide by 63 just keep on putting 3333 multiplied by 100. So it comes to 15,000. Okay, which is 15,000. So the list price is 15,000. Got it? Let's see the next question. A wholesaler allows a discount of 20% to a retailer. The retailer sells at 5% below the marked price. If the customer pays 19 rupees for an article, what is the profit made by the retailer on it? What is the percentage of profit on his cost price? Okay. A wholesaler allows a discount of 20% to the retailer. The retailer sells at 5% below the marked price. Fine. Now, a wholesaler allows a discount of 20% to the retailer. Okay. So, let the marked price be 100. If marked price is 100, less trade discount, this is to the wholesaler, okay, 20%. So 20. So this is your retailer's price. Retailer sells at 5% below the marked price. Okay. So for the wholesaler, okay, marked price is 100 and he gives a 20% discount and 80 rupees is the invoice price. And this is the price at which the wholesaler is selling to the retailer. And this is the selling price itself. Okay. So this 80 rupees, this selling price is to the wholesaler. So for the retailer, this is the cost price. Okay. So wholesaler is selling it for 80 rupees. That means retailer is buying it for 80 rupees. So retailer is buying it for 80 rupees. That means retailer's cost price is 80 rupees. For the retailer, 80 rupees is the cost price. Now, retailer sells at 5% below the marked price. Okay. So for the retailer, the selling price is 95. Correct? Because marked price is 100 minus 5%, which is 5 rupees. So 95 is the selling price for the retailer. So cost price for the retailer is 80 rupees. Selling price for the retailer is 95 rupees. Okay. If mark price is 100. Okay. If, let the mark price be 100. If mark price is 100, then these are the price. Okay. If mark price is 100, then selling price for the retailer is 95 and cost price for the retailer is 80. Okay. What is the profit made by the retailer on it? Okay. Now, see, if the customer pays 19 rupees for an article, that means selling price for the retailer is 95. That means customer is paying 95 rupees. Correct? That's why it is 95. So, selling price for the retailer is 95 less cost price for retailer is 80. So profit is 15. 95 minus 80 is 15. So if selling price for the retailer is 95, cost price of the retailer is 80, that means profit made is 15 rupees for the retailer. Correct? And they have given that if the customer pays 19 rupees for an article, okay. Now, retailer is selling it for 95. That means customer is buying it for 95. That's why retailer is selling it for 95. And this is given as rupees 19. So, if the customer pays 19 for an article, what is the profit made by retailer on it? What is the percentage of profit on his cost? Okay. So, if selling price is 19, how much is the cost price and how much is the profit? That you have to find out. Okay. So, customer is paying 19 rupees. That means retailer is selling it for 19 rupees. That's why customer is buying it for 19. Correct? So, customer is buying it for 19. That means find the cost price for the retailer and profit for the retailer. So, if 19 is 95, how much is 80 and how much is 15? Let's find out. So, cost price is equal to cross multiply 19 multiplied by 80 divided by 95. Multiplied by 80 divided by 95. It comes to 16. That means cost price is 16. If cost price is 16, profit is equal to 19 minus 16, which is rupees 3. Correct? So, if selling price is 19, cost price is 16 and profit is 3 rupees. Okay? And what is asked in the question? What is the profit made by retailer on it? 3 rupees is the profit made by retailer on it. Okay? 3 rupees is the profit made by retailer. Rupees 3 is the profit made by retailer. And the other question is, what is the percentage of profit on his cost? So, percentage of profit is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. Profit is 3, cost price is 16 into 100. So, 3 upon 16 into 100, it comes to 3 divided by 3 divided by 16 into 100. It comes to 18.75. So profit is 18.75%. Okay. That's it for the day, students. Have a great day. Thank you.